First off, I would like to say thank you for this interview opportunity. I'm excited to answer your questions. How do you envision your role in this position contributing to the overall mission of our organization? I see this position as a very critical first step in a much larger process. If I do this job correctly, then I help make the whole process go smoothly, more quickly, and more efficiently. If I collect the data and process it accurately, the time and effort it takes me to do so is saved and directly correlates to those who are processing and analyzing the data. How would you go about establishing your credibility with the team? First, I am always positive and upbeat and willing to lend a helpful hand. Also, I'm never late for work. Mostly, I will do my job as accurately and precisely as possible. If my work is not accurate, nothing else matters. As long as my work is accurate, I am credible. I will do everything it takes to make sure that my work is accurate. Can you describe a situation in which your work was criticized? When asked to process fish stomach contents, I've never done this before, so I chose the method of going like filleting a fish to go along the belly of the fish and access the stomach that way. When a supervisor came and checked in on what I was doing, she suggested that I go along the lateral line of the fish and fold the flap down, which makes the stomach more accessible but also disrupts less organs in the process. I really appreciated her criticism, and I work that way today. What irritates you about other people, and how do you handle it? Laziness. When my coworkers are lazy, it gets very frustrating to me. If one person does not pull their weight, then that makes it much harder for everyone else working because they have to take on more work. By dealing with this, I try to lead by example and do my job efficiently and positively, hoping it rubs off. I also try to create a team atmosphere where everybody gets involved, and that way we can get work done more efficiently and accurately, and everybody takes on a share. What can you offer us that others cannot? I'm always very positive, which has been proven to rub off on coworkers and make work more efficient. I also always have snacks. And on top of that, just being very open-minded with my work. Though I may know a certain way of how to do something, I'm very open-minded in learning new ways on how to do it. And in that, by learning more and knowing more about my job, I can take on more responsibilities and more work and help everyone out. If you could choose any superhero power, what would it be and why? If I had to choose a superhero power, I would say super speed. I say this because not only could I get my work done more efficiently and faster and get more work done just overall, I could also take a trip down to Hawaii on my lunch break during the winter and soak up some rays and eat some good food and come back with an even more positive attitude and be even more productive in my work. Finally, I would like to say thank you for giving me this opportunity once again. I really appreciate it, and I hope I get the job. If not, I will continue submitting my application and stay open-minded and hope I get it in the future. Thank you.